Good morning, all my friends, my subscribers, students, ladies and gentlemen. In the course of choice, today we are going to study about a choice future based. So, according to future simple, how do you use it? No, here future, but it is based on simple or indefinite, you can say. Okay, so in a normal choice, future simple you are going to study. साधारण पसंद future simple या future indefinite पर आधारित. Okay, so what you have to take now, entire universe can be described uh, according to choice and base is future tense. बाद में आप क्या पसंद करेंगे या क्या पसंद होगा, क्या ऑब्जेक्ट पसंद होगा, क्या काम करना पसंद होगा और क्या बनना पसंद होगा. ओके, so according to that, the chapter according to spoken English, written English, or professional or domestic language, if you want to learn, with a little effort, you can try to speak and you can try to write. Okay, so with a full confidence, and you will be, confidence means you know the process and you believe that yeah, it is right. So friends, here first you have to take here subject. So noun and pronoun can be here like subject. Okay, I, मैं, we, हम लोग, तुम लोग, आप लोग, he, वह और वे, she, वह और वे for female, and Ram, this is noun, they, वे लोग. My father, India, Indians, this kind of things you can express here. And if you, according to subject tense based, you have to decide shall or will for future tense, how to use. In first person shall and second, third person will, you can take in normal or general sentences. And you can take any here linking word here like love or prefer. All will here clear the meaning pasand. Okay, so object, noun or adjective, or 2 plus verb 1 object, and to be plus existence. So there are three directions here, that object according to future, action according to future, and existence according to future. So it has three structures included, object based, action based, and existence based. So here in Hindi, subject object पसंद करेगा, करेगी, करेंगे, करूंगी, like that, और करूंगा. Here कर्ता कार्य करना पसंद करेगा, करेगी, करेंगे, action based. And existence based, कर्ता अस्तित्व होना पसंद करेगा, करेगी, करेंगे, करूंगा, करूंगी. This kind of Hindi language you can correlate, okay, according to bilingual or English way. So example here I have written over here. I shall like red color. मैं लाल रंग पसंद करूंगा. She will like red color. वो लाल रंग पसंद करेगी. You can like anything here. All the objects of the universe you can use over here. And if you want to make here a question and answer for spoken English, so I have given here one example only. So look, for spoken written language, one sentence can be classified into 6 sentences on the basis of active auxiliary. Here is one, shall is here modal auxiliary. I shall like red color. मैं लाल रंग पसंद करूंगा. And to make the style question style is what? Shall I like red color? क्या मैं लाल रंग पसंद करूंगा? I shan't like red color. मैं लाल रंग पसंद नहीं करूंगा. Shan't I like red color? क्या मैं लाल रंग पसंद नहीं करूंगा? Why shall I like red color? मैं लाल रंग क्यों पसंद करूंगा? Why shan't I like red color? मैं लाल रंग क्यों नहीं पसंद करूंगा? So according to action, I have given here example. I shall like to teach English. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना पसंद करूंगा. She will like to sing on the stage. वह स्टेज पर, रंगमंच पर गाना पसंद करेगी. Here, how to make language process is here. She will like to teach English. वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना पसंद करेगी. Will she like to teach English? क्या वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना पसंद करेगी? She won't like to teach English. वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना पसंद नहीं करेगी. Won't she like to teach English? क्या वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना पसंद नहीं करेगी? Why will she like to teach English? वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना क्यों पसंद करेगी? Why won't she like to teach English? वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना क्यों नहीं पसंद करेगी? So you come in existence way. I shall like to be a teacher. मैं शिक्षक बनना पसंद करूंगा. She will like to be a singer. वह गायिका बनना पसंद करेगी. Here, how to make a language? She will like to be a teacher. वह शिक्षिका बनना पसंद करेगी. Will she like to be a teacher? क्या वह शिक्षिका बनना पसंद करेगी? शी वोंट लाइक टू बी अ टीचर, वह शिक्षिका बनना पसंद नहीं करेगी। वोंट शी लाइक टू बी अ टीचर, क्या वह शिक्षिका बनना नहीं पसंद करेगी? वाई विल शी लाइक टू बी अ टीचर, वह क्यों शिक्षिका बनना पसंद करेगी? वाई वोंट शी लाइक टू बी अ टीचर, वह शिक्षिका बनना क्यों नहीं पसंद करेगी? यू कैन चेंज वाई अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस। वाई मीन्स क्यों, वेयर कहाँ, हाउ कैसे, व्हेन कब। सो व्हेन यू change here interrogative pronouns now, automatically the meaning will be changed. If you change here existence, the meaning will be according to existence. If you change here the subject, the meaning will change according to subject. Same everywhere you have to use. Suppose here I shall like to be a teacher, you can say I shall like to be an IAS officer, or she will like to be a dancer, she will like to be an officer, she will like to be a painter. Okay, so whatever is your jargon or occupation or profession you want to use here, or your recognition as existence, you can change and meaning will be changed according to that. And the question making process is that if the active auxiliary is shall, then shall will create 1 into 6. If it is will, then will create 1 into 6. So everywhere shall, will and shall will make 1 into 6. So within 1 into 6 there are the question answer process, positive and negative, and according to that language is based. So you have to work hard, because everything ready made, if I can't already, but if you don't practice orally, if you don't think comprehensively, then you can't get anything and you will get everything boring. Okay friends, so if you like, subscribe and share, I'll be so obliged. That's all. So thank you very much. It is a good step for social service to remote village, or those who are not able to come to me. So according to my experience and my way of convincement, I tried, and if you liked, then you can share and subscribe. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.